Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. We can see lana the whole family of Amusele busy bahlala no. Njengoba ke niyibonela Nkosi yami nani ukubana hayi nangubaba uMseleko siyambona ke manje usendlini nomntwana ngoba abantu zange bayithandekele indaba yokubana kutheni ayobonela usana lwakhe emotweni. Everyone was like, what is the reason for you guys? You are married, you are lobola ukubana njani kaloku xa usithi uyobona usana uyolibonela phakathi kwikolo. So people were backlashing at utata uMseleko like njani guys, like why are you not sitting? Even if you were rushing, why are you even putting it on social media? Like why are you going to see your child ngathi ngumntwana wentombi okokubana awukaziwa pha ngaubo kantombazana ukubana sokumele ukubana ubonele umntanakho emotweni okanye ngaphandle komuzi. Abantu batsho khena bari hayi no, you are a respectful man, but hayi this yona le hayi it does not work for us shame as isitshaba so thando nesithembu. Like it doesn't make sense. Why would you even do that? Why are you coming to visit your own child and you have to see her emotweni? So siyambona ke noSine naye apostile kwakhona abonisa ukubana hayi she is spending time with her young sister Nkosi yami ilast born katata ke, that it can be umntwana kaSine at this point. Hayi sitsho kwakhona ukubana hayi ubebona umntwana wechomi yakhe Nkosi yami. They look so cute together. uSine can be so good with the baby, because when we remember when this baby was first posted, uSine kwakunguye owamposta ke lo mntwana. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.